Wheelie Rider here, and we're doing a manual safety installation on the P365, converting a non-manual safety to having a manual safety, and this is where you start, is getting your FCU out. Then you'll put your takedown lever to the rear position, and once you wiggle in your new manual safety lever, that hole right there on the side by my index finger is where you're going to put the detent spring and the actual detent. This setup will probably run you about $40 to $60, and spring goes in first, and then on the detent it has that small side with like the little rod that will sit inside the spring, so face that towards the spring during installation. Here's this little thing again. You can see my fingerprints and all. Don't try to steal or copy those. And when installing this, make sure you do it the right way, as in don't have it flipped or anything, and it's under a lot of spring tension, and if this thing flies out, you're not going to find that detent anytime soon. It's pretty small, so might shoot out, end up in your drywall or something. So once compressed in, you see it works. No, I'm just messing around with this. With the safety on, there's like little to no movement, and now it's off. You could see it was moving. Now this next step is the grip module. For this one I decided to modify, otherwise you can get another original or have like a Wilson Combat one like I have. Also, I did a review on that. Feel free to look at that video. And yeah, just modifying this one. Make sure you have a template, as in like another P365 grip module to kind of go off of, or you can just kind of eyeball what you need to trim. I did that with a Dremel tool. Kind of don't recommend that idea, but it definitely worked for me. Definitely don't need the hole too big. Right now it's all together, and she's ready to go. So what I can recommend with all this is just be careful not to lose the really small parts, and just test it safely. Obviously not one in the chamber, not a loaded mag, and make sure the lever is nice and smooth and it works, and go test it out sometime, and it's a good deal. So that's about it with the manual safety installation, and it's pretty simple. And if you found out you needed or wanted a manual safety, it's definitely not impossible. Just be safe doing it. Don't lose the parts. Also, guys, feel free to comment your favorite firearm brands or what you have personally if you want. And yeah, just you can even do recommendations on videos. I have a Mossberg Shockwave that you'll be seeing videos of soon. And I appreciate your time watching, and I'll see you guys soon.